Lo mcimbi we-MBVeni Biggest Braai kubhekeke ukuthi ube mhla tinge-27 enyangeni yaKholwane 27 July. Baka-Eswatini Wire Industries namhla banikelele lo mcimbi we-MBVeni Biggest Braai ngemigcoma yekulahla tibi lekuthiwa pheceleti ngema-mobile steel bins, kanti ngelokunye labakunikele ngilokuthiwa ngema-steel fabrication stools kwendzawo ye-VIP kulo mcimbi. Ngekusho kwaMveli Nzinisa lokhulumele inkampani yaka-Eswatini Wire Industries uvetile ukuthi lokhu lese bakucalile banelithemba batawuchubeka nako njalo ngeminyaka letako uma kunalo mcimbi.
Today we are honored to officially partner with MBVeni's Biggest Braai through provision of our mobile steel bins ngabona nje siwabekela ngaphandle. Through our mobile steel bins for the waste management throughout the three-day event. And also, we would like to provide also fabricated steel bins for sitting areas at the VIP session for the event. And also, we are pleased to announce that Eswatini Wire, in addition to the sponsorship, we are pleased to announce that we will be also donating 2 permanent steel bins to the Philani Maswati organization to the Philani Maswati Center.
Sihlalo wePhilani Maswati Lutho Dlamini ubonge kibo baka Eswatini Wire waphinze wabonga nakibo bonke lesolo bavela kusekela lo msebenzi.
Iphinde sibonge igama lethu laba busy ngeMBVeni Biggest Braai ukuthi nicabanga lo sinambe umsebenzi lo nje indzaba yokuhloba nokuhlaleka ihambe embili. Sesiya ukuthi bantu labethu lomcimbi ibitawuphutheka kahle. Bese kuthanda ngamabhins ehlukene ukuthi lokungarecyclisheka sifaka la ibhodlela sifaka la plastic sifaka la people sifaka la, which is a good thing. Iyapromote ngoba sinabo vela labaphila ngokuthatha le tibi bayenzengisa. So thank you very much usibongele banika benkampani nekuthi ke nalemtini wengosi lapha khona bogogo vele bese kubutha kamadini. We are very happy ukuthi nakhona utasifakela lemicimbi.
Lo mcimbi we-MBVeni Biggest Braai kubhekeke ukuthi uqale mhla ka-18 July lapho kutobe kulashwa abamfula abadzala kaDvokolwako, emva kwaloko mhla ka-23 July lilanga lebamfana besikolo kaManzini lapho kutobeke kunemakhoyisen kanye-ke nalokunye. Bese kuthi-ke mhla ka-25 July sengiyo-ke ingcungcuthela yengqayizivela yemcimbi we-MBVeni Biggest Braai. Nginqwehla Twilight Indzabeni Channel yeMaswati kaManzini.